How to fade multiple audio files at once in Davinci Resolve. One way is to drag all your audio files into Timeline. Go to Effects panel and click on Audio Transitions. Right-click on the crossfade and choose Set as Standard Transition. Now select the audio layers and press Shift+T to apply the default audio transition to them. But a better way is to go to Fairlight page. Select Audio Track, then from Fairlight menu choose Batch Fade Settings. Change Fade Unit to milliseconds. Then check Fade In and Fade Out options and set length to a value you want. Here I put 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, and click Apply. Now from Fairlight menu choose Apply Batch Fades. Now my audio layers have a 1 second fade in and out. Here you can go to Deliver page and export all the audio files. Under Video tab, uncheck Export Video checkbox. Check individual clips, then from Audio tab change format to MP3. Click on Add to Render Queue, then click on Render All. Right-click on the render job and choose Open File Location. Now Davinci exported each audio layer as a separate audio file and applied that fade to them as well.